It's really cold this morning. I'm showing 16 degrees on this car here. 17 degrees on the ground. We're gonna cold start this old 1981 Toyota diesel pickup, nicknamed Barney. It's a diesel, and it has partial biodiesel in the tank, and we're gonna see how well it starts up. The customers are complaining of a hard cold start. Oh, we're gonna see what happens here. Put the key in the hole. So we've got the glow plug light on. See the glare. Okay, the glow plug light's gone off. I'll give it a little crank. Whoa. Started right up. Whoop. Not so fast. Let's try that again. The windshield is completely frosted over. So we're going to glow her. Ah, I think I see the problem. Try it again. Starts up initially, but then dies out. Okay. Okay. That's funny that it starts up but then conks out. So we're gonna have to do some more diagnosis on this and see what's going on. Now I know exactly what the problem is, or at least I know the symptoms of the problem, because yesterday morning it started up just fine. So there may be a further diagnostic, or should I say video, finding the repair for this thing. Right now my battery's about ready to die, but this is our 1981 Toyota diesel truck named Barney, nicknamed so, and we'll figure out his cold starting problems on this cold December morning, where it's like 16 or 17.